Hi everyone, thanks for the great feedback yesterday. Because of the good comments, I decided to make some more videos. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a frozen strawberry daiquiri so you can enjoy it in this amazing weather that we've got. You'll need a good blender. Frozen strawberries. You can use strawberry puree or fresh strawberries, but today we're going to use frozen just because they're easier and then you can use less ice. 1 lime. Sugar syrup. So really quickly I'm going to show you how to make a sugar syrup. Basically it's just equal parts sugar to water. So I've got 300 grams of sugar there and 300 grams of boiling water. Mix it up and then you've got a perfect sugar syrup. Ice, if you're using fresh strawberries then you'll need more ice, and any white rum of your choice. Today we're going to be using Old J Silver because it's my favourite rum, so next time somebody wants to buy me a drink I'll have one of these. So first thing, you want to roll your lime. We're going to be using a whole lime because we're making 2. You can use half if you're just making 1, but I would say because you're using so much ice and alcohol, when you need quite a lot of ice to mix with the alcohol and stay frozen, then it's probably best to make 2 drinks. So you want to juice your lime. I'm using one of these because I can get all the juice out and no pips, but you can just squeeze it into the blender. Pour your lime juice into the blender. Really quickly, so one of the comments, somebody wanted some bar flare, so I have not practiced any of this, but I'm going to give it a go. I have not practiced this either, but I'm also going to give it a go. So now we want to add 350 grams of frozen strawberries. If you'll notice that I am now wet, it's because I've been trying to do tricks with the bottles due to a request and it didn't work very well. You want to add about 100 ml of your sugar syrup and 100 ml or 4 shots of rum. Finally, you want to add your ice. So my strawberries are already frozen, so I'm going to need about half a pint of ice. If you're using fresh strawberries, then use a full pint, but you do need to experiment a bit, so more ice if it's runny. If it's too frozen, then just add a bit more rum. After you've got all your ingredients in the blender, just blend for about 20-30 seconds. I can already see this is the perfect consistency for me. Did you expect any less from me? And then we're done, so just pour it in your glass. So the way I test if these are a good consistency is when you put your lime or strawberry on top that it holds. Perfect. This is so good. Honestly, I can't tell you how good this drink is.